Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you know you need to increase employee engagement, but you're not sure how to. Well, my friend, you are in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Stick around till the end of this video to see how you can get 100 more tips that you can immediately use. For today's tip, we're going to learn to understand your organization's why. When employees don't understand the role that they play in your company's mission, they're more likely to become disengaged. What differences does your product or service make in the world? Here's one of my favorite parables about the importance of having a mission. A man asked 3 bricklayers what they did for a living. The first replied, "I'm laying bricks." The second one answered, "I'm putting up a wall." And the third respondent, with pride in his voice, said, "I'm building a cathedral." Food for thought. Are your employees laying bricks, putting up walls, or building a cathedral? How do you do it? Get down to the basic whys in your business. New York Times bestselling author Simon Sinek said it best. People don't buy what you do, they buy why you do what you do. Share examples of how your products and services make a difference for the greater good. Ask your employees why they do what they do for the company, and pay attention to their answers. If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement by clicking on the link in the description below. See you on the site.